What up, YouTube? And today I'm making um my Subway Surfers video. How well if this video actually blow up, I'm gonna show y'all how to hack Subway Surfers, bro. It's like so simple, bro. Y'all gotta blow this up though. Y'all gotta put on them notifications because I'm gonna drop them real soon. So let me tell you how much I got. I got mostly everything y'all see. I got everything. It took me a little while to get it, but now I know about heart. See, I got everything. Look how much I got, bro. And I got all the new characters. The characters y'all probably ain't even seen yet, cause I'm just going. Look all this stuff I got, bro. Bro, y'all can see. Y'all see that? Y'all see this? Y'all see that? Bro, if y'all remember these some OGs. Look, boards. I got everything, bro. I got everything, bro. Look how many awards I be having, bro. I can, like, it's a glitch. You can do it all night, bro. See, I love this character. Bro, blow this video up. Not, this is not clickbait or nothing. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. You hear me? I'm gonna just put how to hack part 1. And I'm gonna come on with my part 2, watch. Y'all, I'm telling y'all the video. I'm just telling y'all, bro, stay tuned. That video gonna go crazy, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all missing out on the win chance. Oh my, I'm doing a little top run thing. Trust me, I'm gonna win. All I do, if when you get the hack, bro, all you gotta do is just sit here all day. Not sit here all day, but I mean just use them little hoverboards. You know, I've been even appreciative with 1 subscriber or anything. But I'm promise if y'all blow this up, I'ma show y'all. I'ma show y'all. I'ma show y'all how to hack Subway Sufers. I'm talking about when I wake up in the morning, this thing better be going crazy. It probably ain't though. But until I die, the video will be over with. When I die on this game, then that's what, bro. Look, I'm going crazy, bro. I'm telling y'all. Oh, oh, look, I don't play on the Subway Sufers. Uh-huh. Bro, this not really even the best board. I love that board. Ooh, the board with the smooth drift. Uh, like it low key a board that you can low key fly on. Look, I could have got to. Oh, bro, I died. But anyway, look, watch out finna give me all this stuff. But bro, thank y'all. Well, not thank y'all, but if y'all do watch the video, just know I got a part 2 for y'all. Banger. Alright.